just to make sure, okay, we got no load on it, because even before it starts up, it will have a scale test. Okay, so no wicks. Then after that, it will take about 2 minutes to start up. Okay, so in these 2 minutes, you can gather all your stuff. Okay, so the stuff I'm going to show you is, this is your set. Okay, this is the conventional set, which is the Multifiltrate Pro kit HDF 1000. Okay, in this set, you have a cassette and a filter. Then you will have a filtrate bag. Okay, you need a filtrate bag, then you need a diffusion set and a normal saline. And then you also have your cherry tap. Okay, a 1 liter bottle and 2 multi-bags if you need. Okay, minimum is 1, but if you want 2 also can also. Alright, so now it's starting up. Okay, you can see that the time is correct. Alright, and the software version is 5.0. Okay, so we move on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, before the whole machine starts up, I'm going to try my normal saline. So this is called the function test. Okay, make sure all the scales are unloaded, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, press start, and then we'll keep going on. Once you press start, you have this little therapy box here. Okay, I'm just going to select the post because that's what we did. Okay, just going to select the post so that all the numbers will be zeroed again. Okay, so we're waiting for the function test to complete to 100%, and then there will be a tick down here, and then after that, this OK will light up. So we're going to wait for that. Okay, then I'm going to cut, then sort on.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, you were in just now.
Resign to our fate. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, okay, okay. Then I can have at least a decent night's worth of sleep. I'm going to chop it up. I was this close to saying whatever. Okay, so done. Okay, then you can press OK. Okay, then this is what you start with. Okay, so preparation is a cassette and hang normal saline. So they tell you to hang normal saline on the RV holder, right? Okay, we just comply with them. Insert the filter and put into the filter holder. So okay, so filter holder, and then go to the filter first. Open this up. Okay, open this up. Okay, you have to put this opposite into the holder. Okay, then last but not least will be your set. Okay, then open it up. Butterfly. Okay, now this one very important. This one keep. Okay, that is your recirculating connector. So red to red. Okay, blood pump. Okay, blood pump holder to blood pump. Right. So unfold already. Next, we're going to go through return system. So I'm just going to go through very quickly what this is all about. First things first, insert the bubble catcher. I'll put the bubble catcher inside like that. Next, return line in optical detector and optical clamp. So return line in the optical detector. Push in. Make sure it's flushed in. Okay, and then push it down. Okay, and this one you find, remove all the tabs as you go along. You find this little thing here. Okay, now here we go. This one, try to make sure that you make sure it's secure, not too tight, just secure. Okay, and then you hang it here. Make sure you go around the circumference. Okay, so when you're done at the distal end, you go to the proximal end. Okay, number 1. So I hang the handy bag on IV pole already. Then connect the return line to pressure line A. So A is here. So this one, return pressure is A. Okay, next you move this over to the filter connector. So you move this over here, you get your filter connector. Okay, you open your filter connector, open this, then you can tighten this up. Okay, so next we have our access system. Okay, so place positioner blood pump in the blood pump. So the positioner is here. So I'm going to open this. So I need a close up on this. Okay, so I need a close up on this. So you can see that there is a curve here and there's a very acute angle here. Jigsaw puzzle this in, push in until you hear. Okay, if let's say for example you push until there, right, there's no sound. It's wrong. You need to have a sound. So push in all the way. Then you have this sound. Okay, this sound. Then you're okay. You can close the door and then it will automatically insert the line into the pump. Okay, so place access pressure dome onto pressure measurement unit B. This is B. So again, sharp point towards you, membrane towards the machine. Okay, go from the base to the apex. Alright, same here, go down all the way. Next is a bubble catcher. Occlusion clamp. Okay, so if let's say for example, okay, you clamp this. Okay, then you can start to put in your first memory item, which is your 3-way tab. So 3-way tab. Okay. Make sure you put in here, put in here. Okay, open this. Put in here. Okay, so this one, clamped and 3-way tab in, open the spike and spike it into the saline. Okay, open up and make sure there's a circumference back here. Okay, so if using a saline solution bottle, close clamp of the access line. insert the access line in occlusion clamp, you're done already, and connect to normal standard solution, you're done already. Place the pre-filter pressure dome onto the pressure measurement unit. So the distal side is done already, okay? Now we go back to the proximal side. So all the way here, again, sharp point towards you, okay? Membrane towards the machine from the base to the apex. Stop in, okay, open this up. Okay, now, you might be asking, what is this? What is a heparin tube? So we're not going to touch that because we don't need heparin here. So you open this, and the last one stays connect filter connection to the filter. So if you see the schematic, it will be at the bottom here. So, okay, at the bottom like that, and then it's still pump. Okay, next one. Filtrate system, place positioner and filtrate pump until audible signal is heard. Same thing over here, place in and press. Okay, make sure there's a sound. Alright, then this thing will come out, same thing. Sharp point towards you, membrane towards the machine, slot in from base to apex. Open this, okay. This is your blood leak detector. Okay, make sure it's in, close it in, trace the line forward all the way to here. Okay, then okay, open this here and connect it in. Okay, you can see it is at the bottom, so it's exact same thing. Replicate, okay, to your filter. Okay, so next really you have done place positioner, place the filtrate pressure dome onto pressure measurement unit D. Okay, insert the filtrate line in the blood detector. Connect the filter connection to the filter, done already. Hang the filtrate back on scales 3 and 4. So now it's the filtrate back, so we hang this on scales 3 and 4. Okay, so hang on scales 3 and 4. Always go into all the circles, alright? Then next one is to connect this one here and this one here together. Now, always bear in mind that these two connectors, you must remember that the yellow belongs to the back. So do not, when you open that time, don't open from here, open from here. Okay, yellow belongs to the back. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this will be your scales, dialysis scales. So let's open this up. Okay, so you're going to put one of each inside. Normally one can actually handle both for time being, but you're going to put one on each. So this connector face down. Okay, and you push it like that. Okay, this connector face down. Put it all together. Okay, next. Okay, dialysis and substitute system. So place positioners, dialysis and substitute pumps until audible signal is heard. So dialysis and substitute pumps must put in both sides, 1 and 2. Okay, connect the substitute line to post-dilution port. So where's the substitute line? It's here, okay, a white color port, here alongside the green color port. So this one is post-dilution. So where's the post-dilution? Okay, post-dilution is return, right? Return it back to patient. So it's here. So open, and connect in. Okay. Next one, pull the heater back with markings downward toward the heater. So we're going to do two heaters, the white and the green heater back. Okay, so I'm going to show you the white and green heater back. Okay, so this is the white and green heater back. So as you can see, they're quite stuck in. So I'll just yank the green one out. Okay, and I will also yank the white one out. Okay, so we are free for both heater backs are free. Squeeze. Okay, go in. Introduce after the marking. Introduce here. Put all the way down. Hook up. Next one as well. Same thing. Squeeze. Okay. Put in after the marking. Bring all the way and come out. Okay, so this is how you put heater backs. We're almost there already. So this will be the next one that is okay, so heater back. This one will be connect the filter connector to green to the filter. So the green filter connector is here. You line this up all the way and you connect this over here. Okay, so this is the green filter. So I mean it's a bit messy. Okay, you push this in. There's a cable guide here to guide all the 3 cables so that it won't be so messy. Okay, last but not least, it's connect dialysis substitute line to the relevant solution in each case. So we've got 4. Please note that this 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to 1. So it's a common pool theory. 4 to 1, and then they'll separate out to 2. So it doesn't matter what solution, which tray I'm dialysis or replacement, I can just connect to any one of them. Okay, so I'm going to connect 2, clamp 1. Because I've got 2 bags, clamp 1. I'm going to take the unclamp 1, and I'm going to connect to my connectors. 1, okay, and 2. Okay, once I've done that, I can break my cones right away. And then it doesn't matter whether they're filling up, okay? Because I've already clamped these already, so it doesn't matter whether they're filling up or not. Okay, once we're done with that, okay, we can go to next. And then we are at heparin syringe. Don't care about this. Go on next. Close all clamps not in use. Okay, 3. 1, 2, and the third one is at the bottom. 3. Okay, so these are 3. Then you can press OK. Once you press OK, these 3 things, are okay. So no heparin syringe detected. Press no. Okay, so once you press OK, these 3 pressure measurement domes will go in and lock the cassette in place. Then they'll tell you to fill tubing system, open clamps. Which clamps are they? It's going to be this one. Only one to open. And then you can start. Okay, so once you start, you can key in your data already. So my blood flow is how much? 150? 150, 600, 600, right? So 0, 6, 0, 6. Okay, so this is your my current patient's parameters. So once I've done that, I can wait for my machine to fill the tubing system. Step 1. Step 2, rinse out the ETO into the reservoir bag. And the third one is UF rinse, in which we will discuss. Okay. Okay, so now rinse ready. So when it's rinsed right now, it will try to get rid of all the ETO that is inside the system. Okay, so rinsing now. Then after that it will be UF rinse. Okay, so you can see the bar will just keep going up. So, rinse ready. Now you can see it's UF rinse. So UF rinse is a turn filter and check correct seating. So we turn filter. Okay, next, this is the second memory item. The first memory item is the 3-way. Second memory item is this one. So you open this. Okay, I'm going to open this. I'm going to prime a bit. Okay, then I'm going to get this in. The return go inside this. Okay, why? Because we want to provide fresh saline to the system, because we don't want this ETO back anymore. So once you have done this already, okay, you can start. Okay, so open to all, then start. Okay, so this is going to be UF rinse. What is UF rinse going to do? It's going to fill up the outer chamber, and it's going to draw out from the inner chamber, so that we open the pores out to get the machine ready for dialysis. The machine will do a hookup test. Hookup test looks at all the pressures inside the machine to make sure that it's not unstable and there's no abnormal pressures inside. Okay, so once you're done with the hookup test, okay, so you have it completed. This is the last memory item, number 3, which is to circulate and you maximize your rinse flow. Okay, so there are 2 things that we need to accomplish here. Number 1 is we need to prime this line. Okay, don't go up so high, prime this line. Okay, why? Because we want to connect our saline to this right now. Okay, the next reason why we want to go up so high is because we want to de-air. We want to de-air the chambers here. Just remember, I mentioned that there might be air, but it's okay. You can slowly see where the air is. So as you can see, there's a bit of air here. Okay, and below there will definitely be air. So I'm going to turn this. So I'm going to turn this upside down. Then all the air will just suddenly come out from here. Okay, so there's a bit of air here. Okay, now I'm going to hit the bottom as well, so I can dislodge. Okay, so dislodge the air bubbles below. Okay, so there's no more air here. I'm going to take a look at this part here. There's no more air here as well. There's one small little bubble here, but it's fine. Okay, anything that is smaller than a fingernail, the smallest fingernail is fine. Okay, then we can put this up, and we are ready to go. Once you're ready to go, press patient connection. Then you can do double barrel your patient. Okay, and then you can start the pump, and then you can start your machine already. Yeah.